welcome back to our creative channel. Today I will show you how to create a new creation. We need only old jean or unnecessary jean, and I believe you have it at home. We will make jean earring like this. It's simple items. I hope you like it and enjoy making it. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment and share my video. And now we prepare the item for making the earring. Materials are jean, ear hook, jump rings, chain, scissors, pliers, glue and glue gun. The first step, take a piece of jean and you cut it as long as you want, or the width 2 centimeters and the length of 40 centimeters. Then you give the glue. Like this. And you roll it up. You keep rolling. And give again a little glue. And until like this. And then you take jump rings, and you open the jump ring. And you pin it. Until like this. There is the jump ring. And the last step, you take a ear hook like this and you insert in the hole of jump ring. You open first and you insert. Like this. But you also have creation with the chain. If you like, you also give before the ear hook, you give the chain. So you have two kinds of earring, with chain and or not with chain. Beautiful, isn't it? Thank you and bye-bye.